I would say everything. New Indian customer doesn't want just a product or just a piece of clothing. They want an experience. They want to feel connected to a lifestyle. So they demand a completely different set of parameters for a retail experience.
Honestly, nothing has changed. It's become better because now the consumer is able to connect better with the product, understand the product better, whether it's if you're trying to say it's online, well, yes, and it has equal effect on the brick and mortar.
The fact is that today's consumers are impatient. Today's consumers are increasingly connected, as you correctly said. Actually, what has changed in the marketplace today is that the consumer today is faced with a huge amount of choice, and that also leads to some amount of confusion. I'd also add that consumers today have become deal seekers.
As an experience business, it's a physical store business. And one thing for sure happens, because being a very service-oriented business, we don't have product as much, that any experience, good or bad, is shared immediately. So we're always looking at a mirror. And every day in the morning I get up and I actually go through all the reviews that come in.
Well, I think people go online and do a lot of research, and they spend time on checking everything out. So the transaction time when they come to you sort of is reduced dramatically. They have specific and deep questions to ask you when they have something to ask.
There's a rapid change we see in our mall also, because the customer, which is younger customer, they are always connected with the internet, and they are fully aware of the information in the mall, and the buying patterns are different, the buying habits are different. So we see a change which is coming.
In Dehradun, we have a monthly traffic of about 4 lakh people. And on my Facebook page itself, I have 1.5 lakh people, which means at least 50-60% of my walk-in customer is already connected to me via social media.
The first thing that has changed is customer expectations. They expect a retailer to be there for them, irrespective of the channel, the time of their choice. So we believe in is shopping is becoming anywhere, anytime, through any device. And as retailers, therefore, our goal is to be there for our customers for products of their choice at the convenience of their choice.
I think 2 things. One is that we are finding that the customers are far more digitally savvy, and they are willing to not just spend time online but also purchase online. So in our business, what we have changed is that from a physical retailer, we have evolved into being an omni-channel retailer now, and that's fundamentally the one thing that has changed. Of course, keeping in line with that, we've become far more socially active and far more we are trying to be far more relevant to the customer.
Customers know everything. They compare prices and they look for multiple things. For example, they're always looking for ratings. They need the assurance that the product they're purchasing is high quality, is reviewed and rated highly. Plus, they're looking for the greatest deal possible. They're looking for authenticity. So the era of omni-channel is upon us, well and truly upon us.